Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make cake like bakery at home. To start, selecting the right ingredients is crucial. High-quality butter, fresh eggs, and good flour form the foundation of a delicious cake. Always ensure your butter and eggs are at room temperature. This helps them emulsify properly, leading to a smoother batter. Precise measurement, ideally with a kitchen scale, guarantees consistent and excellent outcomes every time. Next, mastering your mixing technique is key to achieving that perfect bakery texture. The creaming method, where you beat butter and sugar until light and fluffy, incorporates air for a tender crumb. Alternatively, the reverse creaming method, mixing dry ingredients first, yields a very fine, dense crumb. Remember, once you add flour, mix only until just combined to avoid overdeveloping gluten, which can make your cake tough. Achieving a bakery-quality cake also depends heavily on precise baking and cooling. Always preheat your oven thoroughly to the specified temperature, typically 350 degrees F, to ensure even heat distribution. Bake until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean, confirming it's perfectly done. Once out of the oven, let your cakes cool completely on a wire rack. This prevents condensation and ensures your frosting won't melt or cause crumbs. Finally, the finishing touches elevate your homemade cake to bakery standards. Start with a thin crumb coat of frosting. This seals in any loose crumbs, ensuring a smooth final layer. Use an offset spatula or a bench scraper to achieve perfectly smooth sides and a flat top. For decoration, sometimes less is more. Simple fresh fruit, edible flowers, or a basic piping design can create an elegant, professional look that will impress everyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.